Hi everyone, my name is Austin, and as you can see, I am new to YouTube. The reason I created this channel is so that I can show you how to build cool Legos. So that is what I'm going to do today. I am going to show you how to build a barbell out of Legos. Here are the pieces that you will need. Are you ready? Let's go! First, you have to grab this 2x6 piece. Then, flip it around and grab 2 of these studs and put them on the bottom. Like that. Then, you grab this brown piece and put it on the back. Then, you flip it back around. Then, you put this gray piece where the brown pieces are sticking out. Then you grab the soft piece so that your minifigure's head can rest on it. And then you grab one of these, put it on this side, and then grab another one of those and put it on the other side. Then grab one of these, put it on this side, like this. Then you grab another one and put it just like that. Then grab one of these, then stick it into the piece that we just put last. Then do that again on the other side, like that. Then we're going to put that aside and make the weight. First, grab one of these white pieces. Then, grab this clear round brick. Put it in there. Then, you have to grab one of these pieces and put it on there. Then, you have to do that one more time. You have to grab the white piece again. Put it in there, grab that piece again, and then put it in there. Then use this Technic piece and then slide the stick about halfway through so that then you stick this through on the other side. Whoops. And that's how you make it. Then we'll bring this back in and put it on here. And that's how you build a barbell. And that's how you get your minifigure to work out.